Hello, I'm James from Polymaster, and today I'm here to talk to you about our septic tanks. So this one here is our 3100 litre. We also have a 4,500 litre as well. So these units have been designed fully around the plumber and to provide an easy, simple and quick installation. First thing you'll notice is the overall height. They're a very low profile design. They're only 1.65 high, meaning it's less excavation and less cost. You'll find these units are fully pre-plumbed. So the PVC pipework is pre-fitted out, pre-installed, meaning you don't have to fit them yourselves. Inside there's a baffle, which is also pre-assembled for you as well. Moving on, you'll notice a lot of ribbing down the side. The ribbing adds a lot of strength, but being polyethylene construction, it's also very lightweight. So therefore, with a simple small excavator, you can simply lift it using the lifting lugs, pop it in the hole, and it's very easy. You can go on the back of a single cab ute as well. With the shape and the ribbing on these units, because it slopes back in on itself past the halfway point, when you've dug the hole, pop this unit in and you've backfilled it, that dirt actually locks into the ribbing, sits on top and fully self-anchors it, meaning it's not going to pop out of the ground. You'll also notice with the lid, it's a 600mm round opening. It's also rated to 500 kilos. So it's not a big ugly lid sticking out of the garden, but if you were to run a lawnmower over it, it's going to be fine. You're not going to fall through it. Also, if you did have a deeper installation, we have risers available or neck extensions. Simply lift that lid up, plumb it up, and away you go. They're very simple, saving you time and money, and they're designed around the plumber. They also work very well in conjunction with our pump wells and pump stations. So if you need any more information, feel free to give us a call or jump on our website. We'll be happy to help.